International Conference on Smart Plantation and Ultimate Solution to Climate Change provided a better understanding of broad topics that are happening in the world within the discipline of plant sciences. I invite Professor Dr. Tahir Rashid to present a way forward note on smart plantation and ultimate solution to climate change. Please, Dr. Singh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome the Chief Guest, the Minister of Agriculture, my foreign delegates, all the participants, and especially my youth. मेरी बहनों और मेरी बेटियों, Assalamu alaikum. My talk will be a mix of Arabic, English, Urdu and Punjabi, as I want to open the hearts of my youth, and I will be here to develop a bridge between the experts, the professors, the seniors and the youth. Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, Khalaq al-Insan. And then my God gave the first message to us, Iqra bismi rabbika allazi khalaq. और मैं आज उस हाल में खड़ा हूं जिसका नाम इकरा है. And I congratulate the Vice Chancellor and the admin. They remembered the first lesson of my God and they put the name of this hall as Iqra. I am thankful to my forefathers who made this country for me, and I am standing tall on this land. Salute to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And my youth, I think we were not able to deliver the lesson which he gave, the two-nation theory, but God has made it, and after 72 years, you understood it even more than us. So two-nation theory is there. Second comes my mentor. I'm standing here due to my mentor, late Dr. Muhammad Zafar Altaf. The first lesson he gave to me, there were 3 points. Tahir, learn how to say yes to everyone. Learn how to respect the females as they are your mom, your sisters, your wives, and the creator and the mentor of the whole society. And the third lesson was, you have to have a love with the books. So now I'm coming to the topic, this conference, Smart Plantation, the ultimate solution to climate change. तो मेरे मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया था कि क़यामत का सूर ठोंक दिया जाए तो फिर भी मैं पौधा लगाऊंगा. हम अपने लेसन भूल गए. What is climate change? Climate change is basically the abrupt fluctuation in the weather factors, which is rainfall, the temperature, and other related factors. I can give you one example. As I'm from Canada, this winter, 40 years record was broken, minus 44. And then the dilemma is, within 7 days, it went up to +5. This is what the climate change is. The local example here, during this season we have seen that there was a prolonged period of fog. and most of our indigenous plants were affected, and one of them was the neem. All the plants are died, Cornocorpus is dead, and so many others. This is climate change, and we have to look into this and how we can deal with it. That is smart plantation. And smart plantation has, if you look into this, a bigger scenario. It's not one field. There are multiple fields, starting from botany down to geology, environmental sciences, and you name it. All the basic sciences, all the applied sciences, all other. So we have to connect all of them to fight with it. On the other hand, if you look into the water situation in Pakistan, we are saying we are a deficit country. But all our cropping patterns, all our crops we are growing are high delta crops, sugarcane and rice. And we eradicated cotton, which was our export earning major crop. What is this? To me, we are not thinking for our problems by ourselves. All these thinkings, I would say the conspiracies are imposed on us. When you are growing rice, you are exporting the visual water. Look into the water which is used to produce 1 kg of basmati rice. Calculate that. Our livestock policy, we are running after beef production. Look at the water which is used per kg of beef. That is the maximum. So, we have to look into this and we have to go back to our sustainable system. Let me recall, before 1857, my agriculture was sustainable agriculture. The invaders came in, they commercialized it. And now look at that, what we are doing. I have seen my own for Dadajan, we had a complete sustainable farm. Me as a kid never went to the shop. Now look at that, what we are doing. So, all the seniors, the keynote speakers, and I will mention all our foreign delegates, and many of them are Pakistanis. यहाँ मैं एक टर्म यूज करूंगा, मैं नहीं होती, हम होता है. और उन हम में हम इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ, वो पाकिस्तानी जो बाहर से आए हैं, हम अपना कर्ज अदा करने आए हैं. इस हमारी पहचान मेरे इस मुल्क की वजह से है. मेरा पाकिस्तानी जो बाहर बैठा था वो पहले पैसा भेजता था और ये मुल्क चलता था. अब इंटेलेक्चुअल विजडम भी लेके आ रहे हैं हम, और हम इंशाअल्लाह ताला ये दिया जलाए रखेंगे. All the keynote speakers have given the directions, and I will mention my youth, my youngsters. I am really impressed. And all of my colleagues who came from abroad, their presentation, their way of doing the research, we learned from them. We learned from them. Thank you guys. Thank you, beta. And knowledge flow is always two ways. It's not me who is giving you the knowledge. When you will ask me a question, I want to learn from you. So you better ask the questions. That's why it is a two-way knowledge flow. And we humans are always on the learning curve. And I'll quote one example here. And I want to show how much depth we had. There was a scientist, 97 years old, and he was leading the lithium battery project. He was 97 years old and he got the Nobel. And he said, learning is from womb to tomb. But we are not less than them. मेरे बुजुर्गों ने मुझे बताया था कि इल्म मां के पेट से कब्र तक होता है. Who learned from? Did we learn from them or they learned from us? They learned from us. And you must be proud of that. I'm coming back to the conspiracies. Look into this. I have given some talks. On one hand, the people sitting in the world are, they eradicated our cotton. I have given many examples. And on the other hand, they are trying to squeeze us in terms of water. And we are exporting our virtual water. Please, policy makers, sir, you have to listen to us. I will give the example here. I went to Anaheim, the Secretary of Agriculture USA came and he said, I am only the post office. I have 30 PhDs as a think tank behind me. And look at here. I don't want to say anything. If you want to survive in this world, somebody asked my leader, Qaid, when the Pakistan will be Pakistan? He said, we need at least 90 years. 72 साल गुजर गए, time आ गया. You have to change all this attitude from ego to eco. मैं नहीं हूं, हम होता है. इसमें से जी निकालें और सी डालें. I request all the policy makers, all the professors, all the researchers and all the students. मैं नहीं, हम होता है. और उसी हम को मैं आगे लेके जाऊंगा. अब मैं थोड़ी सी रिकमेंडेशंस देता हूं, the direction for the new research. First of all, we have to depend on our indigenous varieties, and we discussed many examples. We introduced invasive plants from eucalyptus down to even weeds, to cotton, to sugarcane, to banana. और मुझे बड़े अफसोस से सर कहना पड़ रहा है, कहीं भी दुनिया में आप जाते हैं तो आपको एक फार्म भरना पड़ता है कि how many days after you will be going to the farm. When you are coming to Pakistan, there is nothing there. And people brought banana, people brought cotton, people brought so many crops, and all of our crops are wiped out. I need to request you, sir, we have to revive our quarantine department. और मुझे ये कहने में अर्ज, एक पाकिस्तानी यहां पे करनाल बंट लगा रहा था 2006 से, और मैं सलाम पेश करता हूं उस करंट के उस मुजाहिद पे जो मेरे तक पहुंचा, और हमें 10 साल लगे उसको इस मुल्क से भगाने में. इंडिया में बीमारी लगी थी, they took 40 years to control this. This is what is happening. And my special request for you is, as a policy maker, you must reintroduce all this. Nothing should come to this country without any quarantine measures. Please, this is my special request. Then comes to the climate change. One of the government and my colleague who was working with the USDA, they made a plan to create an institution, Climate Mitigation Institute. Money was given, nothing happened. Now we are facing this. And it is 20 years back story. We have our eyes, we know where we are going. I'm not blaming anyone here. It was the ignorance of all of us. When we are taking the benefit for ourselves, no. You take the benefit for all of us, and when it is a blame, you should accept. Yes, this was our mistake. We should learn those things. Otherwise, आपको पता है फिर दुनिया तो शिकार में बैठी हुई है. Second comes the food security and sovereignty. Alhamdulillah, in defense point of view, we already achieved it. And salute to Dr. Qadir, and salute to his team, and salute to Dr. Samar Mubarakman. But we are still struggling for food security and food sovereignty. It will never come until we create those departments. I can assure you, if you will do, nothing can be achieved. Give the chance to these guys. I was impressed from my two youngsters. I went specially to them and I thanked them. I learned from them the way forward. They told me the way forward. Next comes the second point, the third point. It has to be an integrated approach. Multidisciplinary and multi-departmental. Means this university is working in botany, basic work, excellent work has been done here. They should coordinate with the agricultural side of it. Those researchers will take it to the field, and then you have to coordinate. If you are able to, develop a process, you have to approach the industry, which is lacking. So we have to look into this as a process. We have to connect the dots. Too much negativity is all there. We have to connect the positive dots. Let's start it. Promise with me. Let's start it. All positivities, all good thinking to take Pakistan from one step to the other step. Let me give you the example. Last week, Egypt has already crossed Spain in terms of citrus export. And I'm proud of that. It's one of my Muslim countries. We should think about those things. In one of the NATO conferences for this special irrigation systems, I learned from Israelis. But again, the first irrigation system I learned, drip irrigation, from Balochistan, from a so-called illiterate. He taught me in 1994. We must be proud of our indigenous knowledge. You should keep your eyes on and don't ignore them. The next one is, especially for my kids, my daughters, it should be problem-oriented research and development. And I'll give you the example of this fog and all this. In Lahore, our air quality is very bad. And I gave the example that we should look after, the burning of the materials. We should bring some microbes to decompose all that into the soil, and the technology is there. You have to just join the hands, and then trichoderma is one of them and aspergillus is the other one. You have to join hands and you have to bring that solution. You will be getting rid of the problem on one side, and on the other hand you will be improving the soil conditions in terms of organic matter. Those are the major recommendations. I'm coming back, and now with due excuse, sir, my audience is my betiyan. मैंने सराइकी इलाके में मैंने अपनी तरबियत हासिल की है। मैं करोड़ लालिसन में पढ़ता था, और उस जुबान में एक बहुत खूबसूरत लफ्ज़ है सांवल। And who is Sambal? Pakistan is my Sambal. Pakistan is my Sambal. To find that Sambal, I started from Sassi's Bambor, coming through one of the other low character, passing through Mirza Saba, passing through Soni Mahiwal, and I went to Baba of KPK to learn some lessons. Then I come back to Bulle Shah's Taqdeer due to a khuvat, and I went to his place. Then I came back to his ustad and my mentor, Anayat Shah and Allama Iqbal, and I'm standing on their land and I'm proud of it. इस सारे प्रोसेस में what I'm doing, I'm learning from everyone. अब स्टेज ये आ गई है कि मैं कौन हूं, की जाना मैं कौन, की जाना मैं कौन. Thank you very much.